looking at Mum?
Hi. Are you looking at me?
What? What? Whoa, we almost lost you. Oh, kick. Where? Oh, really? Is that what you think? Nah. Is that what you think? Oh, you got your eye in it. Don't stop sticking your eye in it. Stop sticking your eye in it.
Tongue out. Get your tongue out.
I'm getting a bit cold in here for you, mate. I love you. I do.
Hi. Are you looking at me? Hi.
What's Mum doing? Oh.
Hi, I'm still here.
Can you see Mum? Hey? Can you see Mum?
I'm turning it off now. Yeah, so you can stop looking at me.